Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a big announcement to make. I got my visa approved to Italy. So tomorrow we'll be traveling to Italy, and today I will be discussing about what I am packing for my trip to Italy. So when you're going to Italy, there's a lot of pickpockets in the whole Europe. They're not Italians, they're not locals, they're like illegal immigrants, and what they're targeting is the ones that looks like a tourist or the ones screaming noob on top of their foreheads. So you don't want to be labeled as noob, right? So in Italy, it's a very Catholic place, and of course when you're in Italy you're gonna visit some cathedral, and when you're going to Italy you don't want to wear your booty shorts in like this ones, because you cannot be permitted to get in the church. So the first thing that you will need is a shawl. This one is for when you're wearing like a sleeveless shirt or a dress. You'll be covering yourself when you're getting inside the church or the cathedral, okay? So this is a must. If you're a lady and if you're going to Italy, you're going to cathedrals, you need this. Okay, the next ones, you should be packing with you dresses. Look, in Italy, the locals there, they don't want to wear denim pants, short shorts. The Europeans are classy, You don't want to scream like a tourist, otherwise you'll be targeted by pickpockets. Okay? So, bring yourself some dresses. Yes, I know this is like a off shoulder, but I have my shawl in there to cover myself. Okay? I'm also gonna be taking this one. Again, I have a shawl there, and I brought with me this kaftan. It's a very classy one. I can wear this to any cathedral because it has a long sleeve and it's up to my shin over here. So it's very formal. And also, I have a two-piece bodycon crop top here. I got this from my cousin. Thank you so much, cousin. Alright. So you don't need to show your midriff when you're going to cathedral, right? Okay, so I got this. And then I have this dress over here. It's a blue dress. Okay. And then this white flowery dress. Oksana gave it to me. Spasiba, moja podruga. And I will be bringing this dress. Okay, so you see all of the dresses that I brought with me are formal ones. Okay, because it's Italy, people. You don't want to look like, they said when you're in Rome, act like a Roman. So when you're in Milan, act like a Milano. You don't want to bring your American style fashion in there, booty shorts, crop top. Oh my God. That is just a big no-no. And then I brought my blazer with me. So for example, during the day right now, it's September. So during the morning, it's hot. And then it gets chilly at night. So always bring with you a blazer or a shawl or a leather jacket with you, so that when it gets chilly you can just put it on, And if you're wearing a dress in the morning, so it's sunny, so it's actually good for the temperature during the morning. And then when you go to bars at night, then you can just put on like something like this or a leather jacket, then you're off to go. Also, if you're gonna be wearing pants, please do not wear like ripped jeans or denim pants. Wear pants that are classy, like this, you know, and then pair it up with a good top, and then put on a leather jacket. You see this? It's classy. And I'll stay there. Okay, so a usual tourist attire is like a, you know, those one-sided shoulder bag that you put in here. It screams tourist, and you can only put so little in there. So I got this bag because first of all, the color, it's classy. I can wear any of my dresses and put this on, and it could match any of my dresses because of the color also. And also because I will be bringing my vlogging materials with me. So I don't want to have that small shoulder bag thing. I also have that. But then I will be bringing my case for my vlogging equipment. So I'll be wearing a dress, that small shoulder bag, and a vlogging equipment. That doesn't look right. So I'll be bringing this, and I would put my gimbal here, my microphone, my charger, and everything, my passport. Okay, so this one, it has a lock, and also I bought this like a necklace pocket wallet that you can put inside your dresses. Like, it's still not here, it's being shipped today, so I haven't received it yet, but it's like a necklace, and then there's like a small wallet in there that you could put your euros, your money, and it's inside your clothes. So when you're going out, all you have in your bag is actually just your spare, like maybe 5-10 euros, and your passport. Make sure to put it somewhere hidden, like in the secret pocket of your bag. Like here, I got a secret pocket here in the middle, and I can just put it there, and then the pickpocket wouldn't actually like go looking right there. Okay, so always have like either the belt bag or a body bag with you where you put your money or your passport with you inside your clothing. Okay, so when you pay, if I get this necklace pocket wallet that I bought from Shein, actually, so I put all of my money in there, and then when I have to pay, I just need to take out the strap and pay, and then put it back again. So that thieves will not get to you guys. So, and also, because I will be traveling to Italy and UAE has a different plug, you need this travel chargers. So, the European Union plugs are like this, the two round ones. So I got a lot of this just in case. And then I got this one. This is universal because if you need a European Union charger, all you have to do is take this, put this in, and then plug it just like that. Okay, so you got your European Union plug, and then the UK UAE plug in here to plug your devices. All right, so also, if you're staying in like a like a 3-star hotel, I'm not sure if they're actually giving away if they have shampoo and conditioner in their toiletries. So just bring this once to make sure, fill it up. I think it's good for a 1-week trip to Europe. Just fill this up with shampoo and fill this up with conditioner. And then what else do I have got in here? So I got with me my microphone for my vlogging equipment, and then I got eye mask for the travel, and also it has an earplug with me so that when kids are screaming or someone is snoring beside you, you're taken care of. And I brought some euros. My roommates. You want to say hi to my vlog? So I got some euros. Most of them are like, the highest is 20 and then 10 and 5. Mostly 10 because you don't want to bring a big cash, you know. This is just for my alcohol money because our transpo and food is provided. We have a budget for that. So this personal money of mine is just for when I go to bars, you know, and order beers. And you don't want to give, beer is like 3 to 4 euros. You don't want to give your 100 euro in there, your 50 euro in there, you know, and then you lose it, right? So bring small change with you. So I got a lot of 10s, 5s, and 20. 20 is the highest cash that I have here. And I think that's it. So let's pack. Also, guys, I almost forgot to mention, please don't wear heels in Italy. You know the streets of Europe, it's not like flat. It's like the medieval times bricks, and those are not leveled ones. So if you wear your stiletto in there, your heels in there, I'm sorry, but you're gonna be looking like a stupid person, okay? Italians don't even wear heels in Milan, in Rome. So please wear doll shoes, flat shoes like your Converse low cut, you know. But please don't wear heels. That's it.